Happy Thursday, everyone, and welcome back to your daily crypto and financial news briefing. Let's dive straight into what happened over the past 24 hours because it's been quite a ride. Bitcoin dipped below $91,000 as the market saw some serious pain, with over $395 million in long positions getting liquidated. A stark reminder that leverage cuts both ways in this game. Meanwhile, President Trump continues to dominate headlines with some pretty bold moves, including plans to ban large institutional investors from buying single-family homes, which sent real estate giant Blackstone tumbling 9%, and there's now a 37% betting market probability that he'll actually buy at least part of Greenland, which sounds wild, but here we are. On the legislative front, crypto advocates have reason to be optimistic as both the Senate Agriculture Committee and Senate Banking Committee are holding crypto market structure legislation markups next week, while Michael Saylor was spotted in Washington, D.C. doing what he does best, advocating for Bitcoin, and CNBC noted that Morgan Stanley filing for a spot Bitcoin ETF is a massive institutional endorsement. Speaking of Morgan Stanley, the $1.3 trillion firm didn't stop there. They also filed for an Ethereum trust, bringing the $1.8 trillion asset manager into the Ethereum ETF space as well. BlackRock's Jay Jacobs reminded everyone it's still early days for Bitcoin, which is something to keep in mind during these volatile moments. Trump's crypto venture World Liberty Financial is making serious moves too, applying for a U.S. banking license and announcing they'll custody and issue USD1 stablecoins through WLTC Holdings. The stablecoin narrative keeps heating up, with Wyoming launching FRNT, the first U.S. state-issued stablecoin now live on Solana, and Solana itself saw stablecoin supply surge by over $900 million in just 24 hours, while Hyperliquid pulled in over $80 million in daily net inflows. XRP ETF clients bought $19.12 million worth, bringing total ETF-held assets to $1.62 billion. And some interesting product launches caught my attention, including Screener's new KOL tracker that lets you see exactly what crypto influencers are buying and selling in real time, plus Mentorable launching on Base on January 19th. Traditional markets had their moment too, with the S&P 500 hitting its first all-time high of the new year, Google overtaking Apple as the world's second-largest company, and some concerning employment data showing the US added just 20,000 private sector jobs per month over the last 3 months of 2025, 90% lower than the same period in 2024. The Dow Jones is integrating Polymarket prediction data across Wall Street Journal and Barron's platforms. Rumble and Tether launched a crypto wallet for the creator economy, and China's central bank added 1 ton of gold in December while ordering tech firms to halt purchases of Nvidia's H200 chips. That's your full wrap for today, folks. Plenty to digest and discuss. So make sure to follow along, and I'll catch you tomorrow with another roundup.